Hi, good morning. Welcome to Urban Bistros. Do you have any reservation?
Yes, I have reservation under the name of Mr. Jacob.
Wait, let me check. Mr. Jacob, you have a table for 4 person at 8 p.m.
Yes.
Please follow me. I will take you to your table. I prepare your table. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Would you like something to drink, sir? Perhaps water or light coffee?
A glass of water would be great. Thank you.
Of course, I'll bring that right away. If there's anything else you need, please feel free to let me know. Thank you, sir.